What you are thinking now is creating a future life. You create your life with your thoughts because you're always thinking, you're always creating. What you think about the most or focus on the most will appear as your life. The law of attraction is the law of creation. Quantum physics tells us that the entire universe emerged from thought. I'm not talking to you from the point of wishful thinking or imaginary craziness. I'm talking to you from a deeper, basic understanding. Quantum physics really begins to point this discovery. It says that you can't have a universe without mind entering into it. And the mind is actually shaping the very thing that is being perceived. Hi, hello, we are from Peace by Team. Before watching this video, please watch our previous videos so only you can easily understand. We are creating the content of Law of Attraction which helps you to achieve your dreams. We use new tips and strategies to achieve Law of Attraction in a short time. Watch this video fully and don't skip it. As you think of yourself living in abundance, you're powerfully and consciously determining your life through the Law of Attraction. It's that easy. But then the most obvious question becomes, why isn't everybody living the life of their dreams? Here's the problem. Most of the people are thinking what they don't want and they are wondering why it shows up over and over again. For example, a very big pandemic disease like corona is spreading worldwide now. People in that contaminated region fear that they also get affected to the disease. Their thought is full of the disease. We are emitting our thoughts with negative vibes. Instead of that, we must think that we are healthy and our body parts are functioning properly. The law of attraction doesn't care whether you preserve something to be good or bad, or whether you don't want it or you want it. It's just responding to your thoughts. So if you are looking at a mountain, feeling terrible about it, that's the signal you are putting out into the universe. I feel really bad. Instead of that, you may think, I saw a beautiful mountain. I love this beautiful place. So your mood can be changed. The law of attraction is really obedient. When you think of things that you want or you focus on them with all of your intention, the law of attraction will give you exactly what you want every time. When you focus on the thing that you say or think, I don't want to be late, the law of attraction doesn't hear that you don't want it. It manifests the thing that you are thinking of, and so it's going to show up over and over again. When you focus your thoughts on something you want and you hold that focus, you are in that moment summoning what you want with the mightiest power in the universe. The law of attraction doesn't compute the words like don't, not, no or any other words of negation. For example, I don't want to be delayed, but the law of attraction takes this as I want delays. I can't handle all this work, but the law of attraction takes this as I want more work than I can handle. Law of attraction is working as much as you are thinking. Anytime your thoughts are flowing, the law of attraction is working. When you are thinking about the past, the law of attraction is working. When you are thinking about the present or your future, the law of attraction is working. It's an ongoing process. You neither press pause nor stop. It is forever in action as your thoughts are. Whether we realize it or not, we are thinking most of the time. If you are speaking or listening to someone, you are thinking. If you are reading the newspaper or watching television, you are thinking. When you recall your memories from your past, you are thinking. When you are considering something in your future, then you are thinking. When you are driving, you are thinking. For many of us, the only time we are not thinking is when we are asleep. However, the force of attractions are still operating on our last thought as we fall asleep. Make your last thought before going to sleep as a good thought. Your thoughts are seeds, and the harvest you reap will depend on the seed you plant. All living things on this planet operate through the law of attraction. The difference with the human is that they have a mind they can identify. We can use our free will to choose our thoughts. We have the power to intentionally think and create our entire life with their mind. If you don't understand the law, that doesn't mean you should reject it. You may not understand the electricity, but yet you enjoy the benefits of it. I don't know how it works, but I know this. You can cook a man's dinner with electricity, and you can also cook the man. When people begin to understand the great secret, they become frightened of all the negative thoughts that they have. They need to be aware that it has been scientifically proven that a positive thought is 100 of times more powerful than a negative thought. That eliminates a degree of worry right there. It really does take many negative thoughts and persistent negative thinking to bring something negative into your life. However, if you persist in thinking negative thoughts over a period of time, they will appear in your life. If you worry about having negative thoughts, you will attract more worrying about your negative thoughts and multiply them at the same time. Decide right now that you are going to think only good thoughts. At the same time, proclaiming to the universe that all your good thoughts are powerful and that any negative thoughts are weak. Thank God that there is a time delay. All of your power to create your life is available right now, because right now is when you are thinking. If you have had some thoughts that will not be beneficial when they manifest, then right now you can change your thoughts. One way to master your mind is to learn to quiet your mind. Without exception, use meditation as a daily practice. I realized how powerful meditations can be. Meditation quiets your mind, help you control your thoughts, and revitalize your body. The great news is that you don't have to set aside hours to meditate. Just 3 to 10 minutes a day to begin with can be incredibly powerful for gaining control over your thoughts. To become aware of your thoughts, you can also set the intention that I am the master of my thought. Say it often, meditate on it, and as you hold to that intention, by the law of attraction, you must become that. You are now receiving the knowledge that will enable you to create the most magnificent version of you. The possibilities of that version of you already exist on the frequency, the most magnificent version of you. Decide what you want to be, do, and have. Think the thoughts of it, emit a frequency, and your version will become your life, replacing them with good thoughts. Time serves you because you can think new thoughts and emit a new frequency now. Your life is in your hand. No matter where you are, no matter what happened in your life, you can begin to consciously choose your thought and you can change your life. There is no such thing as hopeless situation. Every single circumstance of your life can be changed. How should we manifest your thoughts and way of thinking? That can be reviewed in next episode. Join with us to change your lifestyle. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to watch more videos.